Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to log in Netflix on your phone and you're looking for how to do so in this video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. So first of all, if you do not have the application, you can download it from your device's app store. Go to Play Store if you're specifically on Android, and you can look out for the search and just go ahead and search for Netflix. After you search for Netflix, you can just go over and install on Netflix and just go over and open it up. So I'm just going to use a browser for this video right here. You can just go over and use the application. And from here, I'm just going to go to netflix.com and hit enter. After you go to netflix.com, the thing you need to do is basically look out for the login page. In this interface right here, you can look out for the sign in option in the top right corner. So go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, this page appears on your screen. Now, in order to log in, it is pretty easy. You just need to look out for this page where you need to enter up the email address or the phone number associated with your Netflix account. So go ahead and find the section right here, and here enter up your email address or your phone number. And right below it, you need to enter up your password in the password field. Once you do so, you just need to look out for the sign in option and tap on it to access your account. After you do so, you can just go over and select up your profile and choose the one that you want to use. And if a PIN is set up for your profile, you may be prompted to enter it, and then you will be logged in on your Netflix on your phone easily. And that's it. So if you'd also like to go ahead and use Netflix on your phone, this is the method you can follow up, which is pretty easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.